You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words correctly once and for all. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I have more videos for you, more correct pronunciations. The top word here is the past tense of the verb to be and is pronounced were. British English pronunciation: were, singular person, singular past, were. Like, they were very happy to see you yesterday, were. The bottom word is the verb to wear, as in to wear a t-shirt, wear. Now, the American pronunciations for those two words are top word were, were. This is the schwa sound, and bottom word where, an e sound, e, were, where. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Can you pronounce those correctly? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.